what's inside. Well, we're kind of doing a video that they told us to try to do. They're telling people to do some videos. And so, I'm JJ, and I'm going to be looking inside. What's inside a rubber ball? Okay. So, since a big saw won't work, we're just going to use a mini knife and cut it open. We're getting some progress. Let's try to break it open. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I thought it was going to be like a little plastic, but it's just the same color but rubber. Let's try to cut it into fourths. And there's fourths. Well, that's halves, and then we're going to break this one into halves. And, there we go. So, that's what's inside a rubber ball. I mean, try this at home, but just be careful. And, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and we're going to be making daily views, once a week, maybe twice a week, and so I will put the link in the description of how to do this later. Bye.